May aso, hinihintay si Cody eh.
There we go. That'll be ready for your anniversary.
Thank you.
Ito yung lalaban natin ngayon. Mga uniform ko. May binili ako sa Amazon, hindi ko lang alam kung magana to or effective. Good morning! This is how my Saturday starts. Our dog wakes me up early just so he can go back to sleep with my wife. My wife already started her routine while I'm doing mine, and I think she beat me to it. She's already downstairs. Okay, back to Filipino language. Ayun yung dalawa, oh. Si Cody at si Eliza. Napaka-pogi. And ang view outside, our backyard. Lakas ng hangin.
Writing in the margins of my mind all day, sipping herbal in the morning just to feel okay. Had a dream I was water just flowing through space till I landed on the record that.
Ito yung lalaban natin ngayon. Mga uniform ko. Iniipon ko para isang labahan na lang. Sabi dito, wash in cold water. So, lalaban natin siya sa malamig. Cold glass. Max, nalagay ko siya sa activewear. Nag-base ako kasi aalis kami ni Eliza. Bibili kaming kape sa 7 Brew. May nakaabang na naman na aso kanina eh. Tingnan natin kung nandito. Wala na yung aso. Hey, aso. Alis na din kami. Yan, sakyan namin. May aso, hinihintay si Cody eh. Hinihintay.
Ito si Cody ko. Awesome. There we go. That'll be ready for your anniversary.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Happy night.
Tignan natin kung tapos na ang ating laundry. Tapos na tayong kumain ngayon, tatry natin patayin tong mga damo-damo na to sa backyard namin. May binili ako sa Amazon, hindi ko lang alam kung gumagana to or effective. Parang kulang yata. Oy, kulang siya. Kulang siya ng parang yung yung nilalagay dito. Pang spray. Ito dapat yung natanggap natin, oh. May wand or sprayer. Message na lang natin Amazon kung ano pwedeng gawin. Nasa manual din pala, oh. Ito yung gagamitin natin, oh. Haluan ng tubig. Weed and grass killer. Nilalakad ko ngayon si Cody dahil napakalikot. At takbo na takbo. At kailangan na bawasan ng energy. Mag-alas 8 na. Kita nyo naman, baliwanag pa din. Our laundry is done.
Writing in the margins of my mind all day, sipping herbal in the morning just to feel okay. Had a dream I was water just
Ayun na po,
flowing
tapos na po
through
tayo
space till I
maglaba.
landed on the record that my grandma would play. Talk sweet like jazz in the park after rain.